Dozonegashimasu. Hey guys, it's Nathan Ogden again with another karate quick tip for Tengoku-Ryu, karate, and Kobujutsu. In this video today, we're going to demonstrate middle punch or Chudan Tsuki. Now, the way that we perform this particular technique is the same whether we're punching low, middle, or high. But we're just going to demonstrate it for practical purposes to the center level of the body. Now, the way that we teach our students to perform this in class exercises or class practice is by gauging their punch towards the center of the body. So like some of the other exercises and techniques that you've seen us do in some of our previous videos, we're going to do this in what we call heikodachi or parallel stance. And when we give students the reference point for where that they should be punching to, we always tell them to put their hands out in front of them and cross them and then pull one hand back so that the fist is in alignment with the center of the body. Now, other styles may punch more to the side, and that's totally fine. It's just different. But we try to teach this concept of getting the students to punch towards the center line, and we find that having them punch to their own center helps them to consciously focus on not punching out to the side and giving them a frame of reference as to where to punch. Now, a couple of details in the way that we punch in our particular style. When we do this punch, we don't turn the fist all the way over straight. We turn to a 3/4 turn. And if you'll notice my hand when I punch, if you're looking at it from the top, my hand looks to be slightly turned where I'm extending the first two knuckles and protruding them. That is so that whenever we hit something solid, our hand will slightly turn but be reinforced with the rest of the arm, and we'll avoid hitting with the two smaller knuckles and the bones in the hand, preventing any damage or breakage in the bones. So we do this to kind of build a basic structure, and then as the students learn and progress, they learn how to deviate their punch to make it more manageable for them, but also just to do the technique in a way that's going to be safe as they practice and hit something solid. So we're going to practice a few of these here in just a moment, but the hand that is not the punching hand is chambered at the chest line, and then what we do is we use an invisible line from the fist to the center of our own body to kind of gauge, or we cross the hands here and then pull the hand back for beginner students and especially for kids. So let's do a few of these as we do them in class. Now remember, like every other technique, we want to get our hips and our spine into this, so we're going to lead with the hip as we do the technique. I'm going to count out 5 of these as I've done in our previous videos. Ready? Ich, ni, san, shi, go. So I hope this video helps you with your practice outside of the dojo as you practice Chudan Tsuki or middle punch.